Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Bank of Jamaica is putting the public on high alert for the potential dangers related to using or investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, the bank says due to the high volatility of the currency, use of the currency in criminal activities including money laundering, and the high degree of cyber fraud, the public should be wary of using cryptocurrencies for transactions. Now, cryptocurrencies are digital values not issued or guaranteed by a central bank or monetary authority. Cryptocurrencies are not legal tender in Jamaica. In currency trading, banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for $154.21. The Canadian is going for $125.05. It costs $213.75 for the pound sterling, while the euro is trading for $186.85. Jamaica Broilers Group saw improvements in key performance indicators for its 2020-2021 financial year, which ended in May 2021. Now, compared to the 2019-2020 fiscal year, the company registered a marginal improvement in profits of 14.62 billion Jamaican dollars. That's compared to 14.6 billion Jamaican dollars registered in the previous year. Jamaica Broilers saw an overall improvement in revenues for the year, amounting to 56.9 billion Jamaican dollars. The profits from a US-based poultry company acquired in 2019-2020 by the company, the Best Dressed Chicken, weighted heavily on the revenue performance of the Jamaica Broilers Group. Now on to stocks. The JSE index advanced by 2,473 points, while the junior market index advanced by 0.56 points. Among the winners were Sterling Investments US dollar shares, JMMB Group 7.25% preference shares, ISP Finance Service, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and G-West Corporation. Now on the losing side were JMMB Group 7.15% preference shares, Epley's 8.25% shares, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, First Rock Capital Holdings, and First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares. Now, global oil prices slipped today as concerns over more contagious variants of COVID-19 rise and the continued Saudi-UAE standoff in OPEC. Now, oil for delivery in September lost 39 cents per barrel to settle at $75.16 per barrel. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.